we're talking how to pose with a tree.
Posing with a tree.
It's your boy Taxi on the Lens, and we're back at it again with another one, man. Today, we're talking how to pose with a tree. I got a model right here, and she's gonna be posing with a tree. Where are you going? What? Because I'm enthusiastic? Like, what's the problem? I got an indie filter on, man. I'm shooting my Sony a7S III, shooting raw. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go ahead and have a little bit of fun. This is how to pose with a tree. Let's get it. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna establish your location. Your location is the wood. Your location is the tree. So the tree is the location. I'm gonna have my model sitting here. Bam, I want one of these right here. I want you to slap that wood, right? And I want you to, you know what I'm saying? You're not making the sound. No. All right, man, let's try it out. Come on. It's called the all right, let's see.
Okay.
So guys, what I have to do is always, before I start a new video, I take a picture of my shoes, so I know that I'm on the next video. Bam, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of her. Let's see, we got her nice and curled up like that. Bam, that's one. I'm gonna go down with a lower angle. Bam, that's two. Higher angle, just to get a little bit of close, show a little bit of vulnerability. Boom, that's three. I'm gonna get a little bit close to the tree. I'm gonna use the tree as foreground, you guys.
Spiderweb, you're awesome.
Ah! Where's it at?
You just put your hand right through.
Oh my G. Was there a spider in it?
No.
Then we're all good. Let's do it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and use this as foreground, you guys. The tree, and I'm gonna get right next to it. Bam, move your hand because your hand's in the way of your face. I need to see the beauty, okay?
Oh.
Right here, come on, right to the spider web, come on. And 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna get a little bit further out, guys. You guys can't see what I'm doing right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and back you guys up so you guys can see everything that's happening right now at this moment. Right here like this, I'm gonna catch her right here. 1, 2, 3, bap. 1, 2, 3, bap. 1, 2, 3. As you guys can see, these are some very dynamic poses with the tree. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and find another tree that looks a little bit nicer than this one, and we're gonna have a little more fun. Actually, go ahead and turn it on around. I want you to turn around, I want you to use the tree as a this is what I want right here. I want a okay? Okay? That's what I want. Show them. Give them a All right, let's see. Let's see the Hold it. Boom, 1, 2, 3. Boom, 1, 2, 3. Guys, I'm shooting in manual mode right now, so what I do is I go to auto mode, then I go to manual mode. I go to auto mode to see what kind of settings I should have, then I go ahead and go to manual mode and copy and paste those settings on over. Let's go ahead and see what we got right here. We got the Oops, my bad. There we go. Oops, there we go. Yes, hold it, don't move. Guys, always remember to show your model, let your model know that they're doing something good, okay? Don't let them just sit there and just think that like, oh my gosh, like should I move to the next pose yet or should I not? Direct them, let them know that that's a good pose or let them know that they need to go to the next pose. Love it. There we go, hold it. Oops, my bad. And there we go. Hold it, that's thumbnail. It's the thumbnail. I'm gonna put it like, yep, this is the thumbnail right here. Cause it's gonna be you and a There we go. How to put your model with a tree. All right, you guys, now we have the peak, okay? So I'm gonna have her peeking, peekaboo. See that right there? We call this the peekaboo. So you guys can go ahead and see me and Kay while we're peekabooing. Peekaboo. There we go.
Damn, I got aggressive.
Let me see, peek. Upping my ISO, guys, because I'm a little bit in the dark, and I'm gonna go ahead and run down my ND filter to minimum. There we go, hold it, there we go. A little bit of that in there we go, yep. There we go. Hold it, I'm getting real nice and close, getting close to that hand. So I got the hand in the foreground, the face in the background. I'm gonna up my ISO just to get a little bit more of that color in there. I still got an F2.8 just so I get a little bit of that bokeh in the back. Getting real nice and close to her. Hold it. There we go. Hold it. There we go. Open the right side of your shirt a little bit. I'm gonna do the same exact pose one more time.
Oh, stop pulling my hair.
Don't pull it out.
Oh.
The heat right now. Might help it come out easy.
What's coming?
There we go. The same exact pose you just did. There we go with the hand right there. There we go. Hold it. Hold it. Look at me. Look right in here. There we go. Bet. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these photos right now, you guys.
I look very sweaty.
Do you though? I don't think you do look.
I look tired.
I don't think you look sweaty though.
I look tired.
But do you look sweaty now?
I need a nap.
You don't look sweaty though.
No, I don't. I don't like the close-ups. I'm ugly. Ooh, that one's pretty. I like because that lighting is good there.
Cause you like dark.
Dark. Ooh, that's pretty.
Thumbnail, trees and trees. Girl.
Forget the behind. Forget peekaboo. Yay!
All right.
Yay!
Thank you guys for watching. You know what I'm saying? That's how to pose your model with a tree in nature.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.